Expanding on over 50 years of sales in the US, the 12th generation Corolla reaches new heights with the 2021 Apex Edition. Built on the sporty SE and XSE grades, Corolla Apex Edition is just as good at turning heads as it is at turning corners. The Apex Edition showcases Corolla's sleek looks with an aggressive black and bronze body kit and an available rear trunk aero spoiler that replaces the standard design. This color scheme is also carried into the cabin with distinctive bronze-colored accent stitching. Additionally, Apex features 18-inch alloy wheels with a black flow-form design and a conical-shaped exhaust tip with a bolder exhaust note. Topping off these aggressive design cues is a choice of 3 sleek paint schemes, including a trim-exclusive cement gray color with a black roof. When it comes to delivering performance, Corolla Apex already has a head start with the punchy 2-liter dynamic force engine from the SE and XSE grades, not to mention the available 6-speed manual transmission that lets drivers take matters into their own hands. But the upgrades don't stop at lightweight wheels and a sport-tuned exhaust. Apex also tackles twisty roads with ease thanks to available summer tires and a special sport-tuned suspension that features solid stabilizer bars and a lowered ride height for more responsive driving. So with this injection of serious style, performance, and technology, Apex is clearly ahead of the curve.